In this WordPress to PDF tutorial, I'm going to show you how to allow your visitors to turn your blog posts into PDF. I'm also going to show you how to make it easy for your visitors to print your blog posts and to email them to themselves or to other people. And all the options are going to be shown in this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I try to answer them the best I can. My name is Bjorn Allpass from WP Learning Lab, where we help you get better at WordPress so you can earn more for yourself, for your customers, and for your business. If you haven't done so yet, click subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. Now let's get started. First thing we have to do is install a new plugin. So let's go to Plugins and Add New. Then let's look up Print Friendly. The one we're going to use is right up here. Has 40,000 active installs, 4 to 5 star rating, which is pretty good. Updated in the last 6 months, untested in the current version of WordPress. That isn't great, but sometimes developers take longer to update the plugins. And if you are installing this on a live site, you should back up your site first, just in case something goes wrong. It's pretty rare, but if something does, at least you have a backup you can revert back to. In the description, there's a link to a tutorial to help you back up your site if you need help. When you're ready, click on Install Now, and then Activate. And now under Settings, we have a new menu option. Print Friendly and PDF. Let's click on that. That takes us to all the options. Don't worry about this up here, unless of course you want to be GDPR compliant. The Pro version is currently and the free version is not currently, but they say they're working on making the free version GDPR compliant as well. But if you need the features I'm going to show you and you need GDPR compliance, you need to get the Pro version of Print Friendly for the time being. First thing we do is select the button style. So there's various button styles. This plugin does not just PDFs, it also does print and email. And the button you choose should reflect what you want to have on your site. If it's just PDF downloads you want, you'll have to upload your own custom button. As you can see, there's only print as singles, and all the others have print and PDF or print, PDF, and email. But you can upload a custom icon or a custom button, use your own image, you can select your image, and you can have your own PDF image if you want. I'm just going to use this one so that I can show you all the features, and you can choose which ones you want to use. The alignment, I'm going to make it on the right and above the content. So this image right here is going to appear on the right and above the content. And I want this to show only on posts. You can choose to show it lots of other places, including on specific categories if you don't want to choose all categories. You can even use it on specific pages and posts by using the shortcode. So if you only want this to appear on one page or one post on your site, just put this shortcode where you want it to appear, and that's where this functionality will appear for you. Click on Save Options when you're ready. Then we're going to go to Advanced. And if you're finding this tutorial helpful, click the like button because that helps this video show up for more people on YouTube so we can spread the knowledge and help more people with this information. So make sure you click like if you like this video. The page header is what's going to be at the very top of the print file or the PDF or the email. I'm just going to use my site icon. You can use a custom image if you want, which you just add here. You can also add a tagline if you want. I'm just going to use the site icon. You can have this work on password protected content, but you need the Pro version for that. You can track it in Google Analytics. This is something you should do if you have Google Analytics because you can see how much people are using this feature. This feature is going to add some bandwidth usage to your site. It's going to slow down your site a little bit. If nobody's using it, why have it there? So using Google Analytics, you can see if it's being used. If it is being used, you keep it. If it's not, you get rid of it. There's also a feature called Click to Delete. When the page is generated to be printed or PDF'd or sent via email, you can choose sections to delete if you want, if this is set to allow. If you don't want people to be able to do that, click on Not Allow. This does not allow visitors to delete parts of your article on the website itself. It's just when they load the print file or the PDF file or the email file, they can delete sections from that. So it's not from the actual article, it's just their instance of the print PDF or email file. I'm going to keep it on Allow just to show you how it works. You may not want to allow this on your site. Pick the one that's right for you. I'm going to keep image sizes at full. Going to make image style center block. This means that the image will be on its own line. So if you have text that wraps around images, which looks great on your website, it might not look great on a PDF or printed or in an email. So if you choose center block, it'll put the image right in the center on its own row. I'm going to choose email allow, PDF allow, and print allow, which allows all those options to be used. And you can add custom CSS for custom styling. This CSS would only be applied to the print file, PDF file, or email file. Click on Save Options once you're happy with what you have. Now we're going to go to our post list, find a post with some content, which is this one right here. Click on View, and we see that little icon bar right here. If we click on that, it generates the content in this fashion right here, which is just the text. No navigation, no footer, no sidebar, no jokes, just the text. You have the option to print, PDF, and email. And when I hover over any section, you can see there's a trash can. And this is the click to delete feature we saw. If you don't want to allow people to do this, just turn that to not allowed. But when doing this, I can just delete this picture. I can delete this paragraph. And maybe I want to delete that paragraph too. So then I have just this content for my print or PDF or email. If I click on print, it prepares the print page. We got lucky it fits all to one page because I deleted stuff. Let's click on cancel. If we go to PDF, we can just download the PDF and let's open this and see how it looks. Here's our PDF. Unlike the print page, this is going on to 2 pages, but they're nicely numbered as well. It maintains our URL in here, which is important for this kind of feature. And we can also email, which will send this document to whoever is filled in here. You can even send it to yourself. You can, the to and the from can be the same email address, and you can just send this document to yourself, or your visitors can, for a copy on their hard drive. Why they would do that instead of using a PDF, I'm not sure. Maybe because it's more portable, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, those are the 3 options. If we go back into the options back here, just want to show you really quick what happens when we go to advanced. We disallow, click to delete. We don't allow email, and we don't allow print. Save options. Click back. So we're back onto the main post and refresh. Even though we've turned off print and email, our icon still reflects all 3. This is why I was saying you might want to upload your own custom icon if you're choosing only to use PDF or only print or only email, because this icon will stay as it is no matter what options you've chosen in the settings. So when I click on it, we only have PDF now because we chose to allow only PDF. And when I hover over these sections, there's no more trash can. So they have to download the entire thing as it is. Next up, check out this playlist right here, which is all about securing your WordPress site. If you want a secure site, check out that playlist. And if you haven't done so yet, click subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. My name is Bjorn Allpass from WP Learning Lab. Till next time, keep crushing it, and I will see you in the next video.